You know, in Tibetan tradition, monks never go to weddings. Never. If a monk attends the wedding, it's inauspicious for the couple. Why? Their purpose is the opposite. One is renunciation, one is what? So monks are never invited. And women and men never wear maroon cloth for any wedding outfit. Any. Why? The maroon cloth represents monkhood. In the southern tradition, it's saffron. What's the difference? It just means monkhood. So monks never go to weddings. They're never invited to weddings. They're never invited to participate. What happens if need be, the couple will come to the temple and become blessed and given advice on moral practice and ethical practice and how to take care of each other and to increase good activities. And they'll do a ceremony to bless them and then send them off. They actually don't go for the wedding. They don't go for the parties. They don't go for anything. Why? It's opposite. In the past, I got invited to a lot of weddings, which I turned down. People say, oh, why Rinpoche so cruel? The happiest time of my life, you don't want to join in. And he's so important to me. I said, I do want to join in, but I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to bring bad luck to you. They say, how can you bring bad luck? I said, well, what do I represent? What do you represent? They say, well, that's true. But in Tibetan tradition, monks never go to that, never get involved. It's completely opposite of the Judeo-Christian thinking. Judeo-Christian is that marriage is sanctioned by God. That it's a holy thing. That have kids is holy. But my point is what? It's different views.